It could have been just another summer. But that summer felt different. That was the summer of you and me.
Ay! Sorry!
Tonyo, Labs, Pep-Pep.
Kaya mo ba akong mahalin forever?
Oo naman. Gusto mo mahalin pa kita ng forever and forever and forever.
Time drove them apart.
7 years ago, move on na tayo, di ba? Sometimes, not having closure is the closure.
Sure ka?
I have a new client that wants to open up a high-end bar. Your job is to transform Anton so he can mingle with the high-end crowd. And by the way, he's my boyfriend.
Ikaw si Sir Anton? Ikaw ang boyfriend ni Miss Monica?
Gusto ko sanang humingi sa'yo ng sorry.
Sorry?
Nung tayo.
There was never an us.
Akala ko naman jowa mo siya.
There was never an us.
Change brings them together.
Hindi naman sapat na guwapo ka lang.
Wow, pala ako.
Will love find them this time?
Steph, aminin mo na kasi. Huwag mo lang i-deny. Na-in love ka pa rin kay Tonyo. Too bad he's not available.
Star Cinema and Viva Films proudly bring a film that will make your summer the new Valentine season. Sarah Geronimo and Coco Martin.
He's my boyfriend now. Kaya huwag kang ilusionada. Don't even try to compete with me. You lying, backstabbing, boyfriend-grabbing witch!
Tep, minahal kita. Totoo yun.
There was never an us. There will never be an us. Kaya please, huwag mo na akong lantiin.
Will their love stand a chance? Maybe this time. Directed by Jerry Lopez Sineneng. May 28 in cinemas nationwide.